Julian Assange is extradited to Sweden to face a rape allegation.
Your broadcast was interrupted by U.S. Defense Department. This is not a test. Reports of small meteorites have been appearing across the whole country. These meteorites haven't damaged anything, but they seem to be alive and spread some kind of purple goo in the soil. Scientists have taken one for research. If you see one of these near, do not approach it. We still don't know if they are dangerous. Your broadcast will continue now.
Sexual assault is that any man can perpetrate a sexual crime, and that they shouldn't be given special treatment if they are famous for another reason.
Jeremy Corbyn attending Labour's Welsh conference.
Your broadcast was interrupted by U.S. Defense Department. This is not a test. The meteorites that have come to Earth have hatched into cat-sized bugs. They are aggressive towards everything they see. Do not approach them. Hide inside your house or in a shelter. Lock all doors and windows and make minimal sound as possible. Do not open door to anyone outside. Scientists are currently trying to figure what they are, and military has been sent to take care of the bugs. Wait till all safe signal. Your broadcast will now continue.
Told us the truth about what was actually happening in Afghanistan and in Iraq.
Sajid Javid may well have to make a decision about whether to prioritise a Swedish extradition request or one from the United States. In doing so, he consider first
Your broadcast was interrupted by U.S. Defense Department. This is not a test. The meteorites have infected the soil with a weird substance, and now more bugs are being hatched from the infected soil. We are still unsure what they are. Please stay calm. Military has currently everything under control. Please keep waiting in your shelters. Your broadcast will now continue.
Toys in the millions all under one roof.
Your broadcast was interrupted by U.S. Defense Department. This is not a test. The infected soil from the meteorites now started having big eggs growing up. A 5.9 feet bug-like creature has hatched from these eggs. They have 4 legs and 2 arms with large claws. They've been able to easily break doors. Please quickly go and find a secure shelter. The military is still trying to fight them off. The scientists have come to a conclusion that these creatures are alien life forms that are trying to take over our planet and infect it fully with their substance, which has been named Root of the Roj. They are now working on a cure to this substance. We have fully stopped all broadcast for your own safety. Wait till further notifications. Your broadcast was interrupted by U.S. Defense Department. This is not a test. The Root of the Roj started to make structures out of itself. They are reaching up to 16 meters tall. We currently don't know what is happening inside. The military will launch missiles into them. Don't worry, the missiles are weak and won't hurt anything else other than the structure. Scientists are almost done making the cure. Wait till further notifications. Your broadcast was interrupted by U.S. Defense Department. This is not a test. The attack on the root of the Raj has failed. The structure absorbed the missile. The cure also seemed to make the Raj only stronger. Please wait till further notifications. This message is being transmitted by the request of U.S. government. This is a national emergency. A new type of Raj appeared from the structure. It's 16 feet tall, has 8 legs, armored scales and wings. It's also able to shoot fire from its mouth. Raj is now even more aggressive. They have already taken over a couple of states. Please wait till further notifications. This message is being transmitted by the request of U.S. government. This is a national emergency. A nuclear attack has been sent by the U.S. government across the whole U.S. to try and exterminate the Raj. It's our only hope. Please get inside your shelter if you haven't already. Don't forget to stock up on food. The contact with the land and the nuclear missile will be made in 5 minutes. May everyone be safe. This message is being transmitted by the request of U.S. government. This is a national emergency. The Raj survived the nuclear attack and even more of them have started appearing. They have also spread to other parts of the world. This is the end. The end of humanity. Please stand up for the last national anthem.
It's the dream.